Today, we're diving into one of the oldest forms of meditation, Vipassana meditation. What is it? How does it work? And why do so many people swear by it? Let's find out. What is Vipassana meditation? Vipassana means insight or clear seeing in the ancient Pali language. It's a traditional Theravada Buddhist practice that teaches you to observe your body and mind exactly as they are, without judgment. How does it work? The core of Vipassana is simple but powerful. Sit quietly and focus on your breathing. Pay close attention to sensations, thoughts, and feelings as they arise. Instead of reacting, you just notice them, and let them go. Through this, you develop deep awareness and equanimity. Benefits of Vipassana. Practicing Vipassana can help you reduce stress and anxiety, break free from negative habits, increase emotional balance and clarity, deepen self-understanding and compassion. It's like giving your mind a full reset. Vipassana retreats. Many people experience Vipassana through 10-day silent retreats. No talking, no phones, just pure meditation. It's challenging, but life-changing for many. Vipassana meditation isn't about escaping life, it's about seeing life clearly, moment by moment. It teaches that true happiness comes from within, not from outside circumstances. If you found this interesting, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Would you try a 10-day silent retreat? Thanks for watching, and keep breathing mindfully.